All right, we are going to continue working on our worksheet 3. We're going to be using the combined gas law to find missing information. So remember, our gases are under one set of conditions, and then we're going to change something about the gas, and we're going to be able to calculate based on the mathematical relationship of the properties. We're going to be able to calculate for missing information. So let's start by reading the story and seeing what we know and what we can fill into the combined gas law equation. We do not care about these two parts of the chart. A sample of gas occupies 150 milliliters at 25 degrees Celsius. What is the volume when the temperature increases to 50 degrees Celsius? So we already know 150 is our initial volume. We're going to be looking for the final volume. Now, like we said before, the only way we can do our gas law problems is to convert Celsius to Kelvin. So 25 plus 273 is going to be 298 Kelvin. Oops, there we go. So that's our T1. And if we raise the temperature to 50 degrees Celsius, that would be 303 Kelvin. So now we're going to take the information we know and plug it in. Since the pressure is constant, we don't need to include that part in our equation. So we'll use V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. So we know that the volume of the initial volume is 150. The initial temperature was 298. We're going to be looking for the final volume when we raise that sample of a gas to 303 Kelvin. So I think the easiest is cross multiply. 150 times 303 equals 298x. Remember, we're trying to get x by itself. So we divide both sides of this equation by 298, and that gives us x equals, but remember what x really is? It's our new volume, V2. So with your calculator, 150 times 303 divided by 298 gives us a new volume of 162.6, and these are milliliters. And that makes sense when you think about the fact that we raise the temperature. That means that that gas needs to expand. And I would take that for an answer, or I would also take 160 milliliters if you were working on using the correct number of significant digits.